Have you ever finished a whole day and wondered why I'm so exhausted? Maybe you slept enough. Maybe you had coffee. Maybe you even had a day off. And yet you still feel drained. Most people think the answer is more motivation. I don't. I think we've become disconnected from ourselves, disconnected from nature, disconnected from the simple habits that help us feel alive. I'm Maria, and welcome to Maria Natural Living. I believe you don't need to change your whole life overnight. You just need one simple natural step each day. That is what this channel is all about. Think about your day for a moment. How much of your energy disappears because of things that don't really serve you? Overthinking, constant rushing, scrolling, complaining, stress, trying to please everyone else. These things quietly drain our energy, often without we even noticing. So today I want to invite you to try something different. Today, natural step. Choose one thing that drains your energy. Just one. Now ask yourself, what could I replace it with that would leave me feeling better? If you keep overthinking, sing your favorite song, for example. If you have been indoors all day, step outside for 5 minutes and take a few slow breaths. If you've been scrolling for half an hour, put your phone down and listen to the birds instead. If you are feeling overwhelmed, make yourself a cup of tea and sit quietly without distractions for 5 minutes. Don't try to fix everything today. Just replace one energy draining habit with one energy restoring habit. Small steps repeated every day can lead to meaningful change. This is what Maria Natural Living is about. Not perfection, not complicated routines, not becoming someone else. It's about reconnecting with yourself through simple natural habits that you can actually maintain. Every day we'll take one natural step together because you don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to take one natural step. Thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow.